Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to withdraw money from Lazada Wallet to GCash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open your Lazada wallet. So once you tap open your Lazada wallet, you will end up in this kind of interface, and once you're here, simply tap on cash in. So after you have tapped on the cash in option, you will be now redirected to this kind of interface. So simply tap on withdraw or cash in. However, as we are withdrawing, you need to tap on withdraw, and once you do this, you can simply tap on let's start. After doing this, you can simply select an account to withdraw, and for this you need to select GCash. After this, you need to type in your GCash account number, and once it is linked, you can simply withdraw your money from Lazada Wallet to your GCash. So by following this way, you can do it in an easy and quick manner. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.